This video was created by a fourth grade teacher using fourth grade standards or indicators so that you can get an idea of how students can create a game in Scratch Junior to show you that they understand the different content that you're assessing. So in this case, there are 4 slides, each with a different topic. But if you have students create a Scratch Junior game, you're probably going to have them create 4 slides of literary devices or 4 slides of maybe elapsed time problems, or something related to the same topic. But this one just showcases some different ideas so you can see how that could work. On this first slide, any text that you see on the screen was created with the ABC button at the very top. That's the text button. And then all of the stars were over here on the left created as characters. And then notice that the correct answer looks like this. When you tap on that particular star next to the word onomatopoeia, then there's a microphone that says good job, and then it advances you to the second slide. If you touch on the star next to the word simile, that's the incorrect answer. So that one looks like this. When you tap on it, there's a sound that says try again, and then it just ends. So the basketball actually is what starts it off because the directions say to tap the basketball first. And when you tap the basketball, you can see the program that happens right here. The basketball moves, and then this microphone right here is the key to the player of the game because that's what tells the player what literary device it is. It says boing, 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 and that's the clue to select onomatopoeia as the answer. So that's the first slide on literary devices. The second slide is an elapsed time problem. Notice on this one, when you tap the green flag, it reduces the different characters. So sometimes the characters are different sizes and you need to use this little pink guy to make the size a little bit smaller. So on the grandmother here, it looks like I need to make it a little bit smaller there so that when I tap the green flag, they all kind of get proportional in size. Notice there's text boxes or little text answers next to each character, so that's how you know which character to tap on. And then when you tap on the correct answer, which is the middle child, notice here that it takes you to slide 3 after it says good job. On the next slide, there's a little bit different way to showcase the right answer on this one. Not only does it say good job, but it also has the right answer get large and small repeated times, and then it goes to the next slide. But each of the other characters on the previous slide just say, when you tap on that answer, try again, and then it ends. So that's how that slide looks. And then finally, we have some plural forms of words. And when you tap on the different ones, you can tell which ones are the wrong answers. On this one, actually, the 4th slide is the last slide. So there's not going to be an advance to a 5th slide. That is one of the limitations of Scratch Junior. You only have the 4 slides, but the trade-off is that it's very easy to code a very simple game, and kids can get really creative with the different backdrops and the text and the characters, and they can really show you that they understand the content that you're trying to assess in a really fun and interactive way. Hopefully this video helps you and your students in trying to come up with some different ways that you can use Scratch Junior in the classroom.